Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Formula E Gen 3 and this is by Hotwheels and okay, let's unbox this. So if you guys are following this channel for at least past 2 years, so I unboxed the majorette version of this Gen 3, Gen E cars. So I unboxed actually two of it. There are actually three cars, but yeah, there are three cars, but I was able to get only two because originally no one bought Majoras during 2023. So I was buying a lot of Majoras. I still have a lot of Majora 2023 with me, more than like 20 or 30 cars just yet to be unboxed. Okay, here is the card art. Even Hot Wheels I'm having more than 30 or 40 from 2023, which I'm yet to unbox. So so Majorat actually did a really good job. I mean, with the detailing, the paint job, and everything as usual. So Hot Wheels also the previous car they did it really well, specifically for the price point they are doing. Okay, so here is the casting itself. It is really nice, and you can see. Let me just focus. You can see Formula E, Trend, Udemy, the sponsors and everyone. So this is the McLaren, and okay, there is a little bit of paint job, missing here. It says NEOM, so the E is missing some paint job. Okay, so it says McLaren on the spoiler here. You can see the driver detailing inside. The head and a little bit of hands here. I wish they could have just given a different color, like at least a black color. That would have just distinguished it a little bit. Okay, so so the body is fully metal, including the spoilers. The chassis here is from this point onwards is plastic till this point here. This piece is plastic, which I'm holding now here. So rest everything is actually metal, including this part here, the guard here. This is metal. So the interior here, the orange part, the driver head and everything is plastic. So the rims are actually tires are plastic. So that this particular color actually goes well with the rest of the car. Okay, let me see. Okay, that has a little bit of gap. Okay, that is good. Let's weigh this casting first. Okay, 30 grams, not bad. Let's see if it rolls. I'm thinking this part will just hit. Let's see. Okay, it does roll good. I mean, not well, but at least it is rolling. Yeah, it is reaching end of the track with proper adjustment. It rolls really good. I mean, not too well, but it rolls good. It serves its purpose. So let's rate this casting. So I don't really know much about Jenny cars. So I'm just going I'm just going to go with whatever knowledge I'm having. So I'm not going to care about headlights or taillights, whatever. And I don't think these cars have those. So rest of things, when it comes to detailing, they did everything really well, and it rolls as well. So I don't see any issue. I don't see any issue with paint job as well. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this car. So if you are a fan of uh, Gen E, formula, then go ahead and get this one. Personally, guys, I'm not a fan of electric cars. For me, it's a battery powered toy. That's it. If I offended any of you, I'm really sorry, but that's the truth. So I'm not a fan of electric cars. So pure petrol engine guy. So max to max diesel, not more than that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.